Hey love bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, my name is Ashley Bedeck. Today I'm going to be doing a start to finish straight out of the box lace wig install. This one does come courtesy of Cheetahbeauty Hair. They sent over this beautiful chocolate brown body wave lace wig. The color is a number 4. She's 180% density, 13 by 6 transparent lace, and she is absolutely gorgeous. We're going to be doing some curls on this one, a little baby hair on this one, and I'm also going to show you how I tint the lace super and simple and easy with makeup. So if you want to see how we got this look, let's get started. Okay ladies, always start with a protective style for your real hair. My hair is in 2 braids underneath this wig cap. The wig cap also acts as protection for your hair, but it's also optional. Here is a look at the wig straight out of the box. As I mentioned, this is a 13 by 6 lace wig. The texture of the lace is transparent lace, and it is a free part lace, which means you can part it anywhere you want. I'm going to cut off this little excess lace in the back as well as that tag. I'm also going to adjust the adjustable elastic band they included. This can also be removed if it's not your jam. And now we are ready to put our wig on. So this is what your girl looks like straight out of the box. She's nice, she's full, she's gorgeous, and I really love the way this color complements my skin. We definitely are going to be ready for fall with this look. Here I am just kind of sort of adjusting it and making sure it is on the right space on my hairline. And this is what she looks like from the back. This is 22 inches of body wave. I'm going to be doing some big body curls on this one, and as you guys seen in the intro, it came out absolutely gorgeous. She's nice and full, so you don't have to worry about it being sparse. Imagine how gorgeous she's going to look in the fall and winter with your boots and your sweaters and your scarves. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. So now I'm going to go ahead and play with the hairline and the parting and just decide what we want to do. I did decide on baby hair and a bust down middle part. You do get 6 inches of parting space going backwards. So I also want to show you guys what it will look like as a side part. There's so many options, especially because this is a free part lace. So if you want to do a curved part, half up, half down, you can do cornrows along the front. Literally, the possibilities are endless. Or you can even do no parting at all. So the first step in our install is going to be to just generously add our wax. I did pick this one up from the brand Care Care. You can find this online. Of course, I have it linked in the description box, and I'm going to pair this with the electric hot comb on a really high heat setting. Be cautious. When I say it's hot, it's very hot. And this is the result you will get if you fear applying heat to your wig while it's on your head. As I always mention, you can for sure do this step on a wig head. I'll leave my favorite wig head down below, and you can get it to the specific size of your own head. For example, my head is a size 21, so I have a 21 size wig head, and it works perfectly to go ahead and do the dynamic duo. That way you don't risk burning yourself with the wig attached. Now that mine is super flat, I'm gonna go ahead and tint the parting. Today I went with Ruby Kisses. I have so many of these, so I kind of was just deciding which one was gonna work perfect. I believe this is the 14 palette. It could be 16. I'll have it linked down below, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pack it generously into the parting space. Because this is transparent lace, I definitely find that I like to use a cream to really go in there and give a skin-like finish. And if you want, you can go on top of that with a powder to set it. Now that we have all the hair pulled back, we can work on the hairline. So first step is going to be to cut off the excess lace. You may have noticed I already cut off some lace in the beginning. The lace was pretty long, just which is a standard thing. So I really just wanted to cut it a little bit shorter so that we could see. And now we're going to actually cut it off for real this time. So we're going to actually get close to the hairline. Now everybody does this different. This is also a step you can do on a wig head if you just want to take your time and be able to see what you're doing. Now that we're done, you can see how beautiful and clean the hairline is. This one also fits pretty glueless, so you can really just melt it down that one good time, and it will be easy to take it on and off, and the wig fits glueless. Since it's glueless, we're going to just melt it with a non-glue hairspray, and I'm just going to apply a generous amount along the hairline, put the lace on top, and then we're going to just work it in. And as you guys can see, you don't have to bond it down immediately because what? It fits glueless. So the next step for me is going to be to make baby baby hair. This step is optional. You can pluck the hairline more if you want. You can add baby hair. You can do different baby hair. For me, the 2 swoops I feel like are my signature. This is what I love the most. So I'm just going to apply a generous amount of the edge booster, and I am putting a little along the actual hair and the baby hair. And then I'm going to use a baby hair brush to just go ahead and swoop it how I like it. Now, you never know what you're going to get, but I know that with Cheetahbeauty, I'm always confident that the hair is so beautiful that this is going to lay really gorgeous without having to do like wispy baby hair or use like the pencil flat iron. And now that we got it how we want it, I'm going to go ahead and do that dynamic duo along the hairline. I like it when the hairline is nice and pressed out because this is going to make it look super neat and natural and just absolutely gorgeous. And this is what's going to make the hair look like you went to the salon and got your hair professionally done and you paid a pretty penny when really you just did it yourself. So now that the hairline is perfect, we can just take a simple melt belt, and this is going to help to melt the hairline down while we go ahead and work on the ends of the hair. So here I am just brushing the hair out with a wet brush. No product was added at this point, so I'm going to go ahead and just make some really big curls. You can for sure do different things, like you can add a heat protectant, you can add a dry oil or a serum. You can also use a hairspray. For me today, I did use the Bedhead Flex Hold hairspray throughout the tutorial, and you will see me apply a generous amount once all of the hair is curled. So for my curling today, I am using a larger barrel from the Hot Tools brand, and as you guys can see, this one is super simple and easy. I did speed through this, but this is the result. And as you guys can see, I'm just adding a light hold hairspray or a flex hold hairspray to that side so it can set while we do the opposite side. I did the opposite side off camera, and this was the final look. Now, the best advice I can give is take your time when it comes to separating your curls. You for sure want to let them cool off because this will give you the best finish and help your curls to last longer. So while we let our curls set, I did remove the melt belt and tint the hairline, and we are pretty much good to go. So I'm going to take that same wet brush and I'm just going to pull the curls apart. Be a little bit more gentle to me because off camera I did go in and fix those curls up front. They definitely should have been done with some hairspray and pinned up for a better lasting finish. But this was the look, ladies and gentlemen. I had a blast installing this one and she's absolutely gorgeous. So now I'm going to show you guys the packaging and the goodies. We got the melt belt from Cheetahbeauty, the wig caps, as well as this bonnet. We also have a matching purple baby hairbrush and some mink lashes. And that was it, love bugs. This one is absolutely gorgeous. I always tell you, you gotta have your staple units for the season. I love a little 99J for the fall. A nice little bob is cute and sexy. You gotta always have like your jet black bust down middle part because that's just a part of it. And I definitely think this is a staple look. The number 4 chocolate brown for sure is gonna be a staple when it comes to your fall looks. So I'll have her linked down below with all the details. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.